How to fix the YouTube error 153. So what you need to do is delete the cache and cookies first. Here next to youtube.com, click this icon and then go to cookies and site data. Then click on manage on device site data and make sure you delete all of these cookies and then click done. Then go to site settings and make sure that you delete the data from here as well. The second thing that you can try is to try playing a YouTube video on another browser. So for example, here I am using Brave browser. I'm gonna use Google Chrome, for example. And if none of these work, the issue might not be on your side at all. So just simply open up a new tab and do Down Detector YouTube. Here's the first one. As you can see that currently there are no user reports. There's nothing going wrong with YouTube right now. But if there is, there's nothing you can do. All you can do is wait. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.